Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Orbler token. Now before we start the video, I'll share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the Orbler is a dynamic Web3 marketing platform bridging Web2 audiences, offering mission staking and community-driven growth strategies. ORBR is the utility token that is used for exclusive access. Orbler token ORBR can be utilized to gain access to premium access on the Orbler Web3 marketing platform. This can enable users to avail exclusive features, insights, and tools tailored to optimize their Web3 marketing efforts. Staking and earning holders of the ORBR token have the opportunity to stake their tokens in various staking pools available on the platform. By doing so, they can earn additional ORBR tokens based on the set annual percentage rate APR of each staking pool. Orbler project institution rating is 2.4 and this project audited by Ceritic. Orbler token total supply is 2 billion and circulating supply is around 1.01 billion ORBR token. ORBR token is listed on gate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.